Hey everyone, this is Arun, and today in this video, I'm discussing the solution of this question. The three blood banks in Franklin country are coordinated through a central office that facilitates blood delivery to four hospitals in the region. The cost to ship a standard container of blood from each bank to each hospital is shown in the table on this page. So we have a table where we have columns from, and we have three banks listed out of here, and then we have a demand, and then hospital 1, hospital 2, hospital 3, and 4 hospital, and then the supply. So these are the values in the table that describes the constants for this problem. And finally, we need to provide how many shipments should be made bi-weekly from each blood bank to each hospital so that the total shipment costs are minimized. So finally, our goal is to minimize the costs. And I've solved this question using Excel formulas in Solver. So this sheet is our formulation part. And then we have taken the variables B1H1, B1H2, B1H3, B1H4, then B2H2, B2H3, B2H4, then B3H1, H2, B3H3, and B3H4. So these all are the variables that represents the containers from blood shipped from blood banks 1, 2, 3 to the hospital 1, 2, 3, and 4 respectively. So total we have 3B and 4H. And this one is our constants that described in the table itself, and we have derived the constants from the table and formulate over here in the sheet. Then finally, we came across the answer. So this sheet is being developed using Excel solver, which is automatically gets generated. And our final answer is 2020. And this sheet is the sensitivity report. This one is the limits report. And then this one is our solver section, which I have solved this question, which we have a solver set up out of here. And this column represents the decision variables, where row number 4 has the decision variables. Then this one is our constants. And then this one is our goal is to minimize the profit. So profit minimization, and then finally the total profit 2020. So this is the solution for this question, and I hope you like this video. For Excel file, you can reach me out or my WhatsApp number and email address. The complete Excel file I will be sharing you over the email address and WhatsApp upon your request. So I hope you like this video. Do subscribe me for future videos, and stay tuned with other videos as well. So thank you for watching this video and have a great day. Take care. Bye.